Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
Hello, I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 26th day of May. Kind of a stormy, wet day today, and I'm doing the video a little earlier than usual here at the station working the overnight thunderstorm complex. So let's get and talk about it. Now, these Skycam shots were captured around midnight last night, and at that point, storms were getting close to Alabama. That's the Inverness Skycam. That's the camera in Walker County at Jasper. And Tupelo, Mississippi, rain pouring there with the band of storms coming through. Here's a look at the water vapor satellite shot. Big, upper, low. Boy, that thing has produced some nasty weather in recent days. It's approaching St. Louis, and you can see active convection in the warm sector all the way down to southeastern Texas. And look at these numbers. Now, these were at about midnight last night, 83 in Birmingham. Hey, summer must be getting close when you see numbers like that late at night. And, of course, it's cloudy and windy, a strong south wind. But notice it's cooler back in northeastern Mississippi where the rain is falling up and through there. And, again, this was the watch warning situation about midnight last night. We had tornado watches from Louisiana all the way up to Ohio. And this is the one that was impacting our state. This was valid until 4 o'clock. And, again, by the time you watch this, all of this will be over. I know that. But, again, due to the odd nature of the hours we're working, had to do the video early this morning. You can see that wavy line of storms, line echo wave patterns, LEWPs in that. And within those bows, we had some pretty nasty wind damage. In fact, a lot of wind damage up in northwest Alabama and around the shoals with trees down, power lines down, trees blocking roads, power outages, big mess through parts of Colbert, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, and parts of Madison counties. And that was around midnight last night. Now, today, we got the standard slight risk of severe weather. And that's from Alabama on north. And, again, it's a very marginal situation here for the rest of today. There could be some redevelopment later, but, again, tornado threat is very low, which is good. And there's the QPF chart, expected rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, and this is suggesting rainfall amounts of about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch, and we need that rain. That's the positive thing about the weather today. We'll check the modeling. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock this afternoon. There's your trough. Down below that, a weakening surface low is north of us, and we've got a chance of showers and storms. And let's dig deeper with the RPM, Rapid Precision Mesoscale model. This is valid at 7 o'clock this morning, and that's still showing some storms up there in northwest Alabama. 1 o'clock, storms roughly along Interstate 59, Fort Payne, Gadsden, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa. And if the storms do re-intensify today, the main risk would be from hail and gusty winds. The tornado threat, very small. And then tonight at 7 o'clock, storms beginning to move out of Birmingham, moving east, and then by 11, it's all gone. Now, if you got a graduation ceremony outdoors tonight, especially over East Alabama, you really need to move it inside. The chance of rain is just too high. In the good news, the significant tornado parameter, I just thought I'd show you this. This is valid at 4 o'clock this afternoon, under 1. All that green, that's good. Anything over 1 is significant, and you got that up in New England of all places, but the helicity is just gone. So we're thinking that tornado threat is just tiny for the rest of today. If we do have issues, it would be from hail and gusty winds. All right, tomorrow, rain moves out. Sky becomes sunny, humidity drops, highs in the middle 80s, and the Memorial Day weekend dry and heating up. Be up there close to 90 on Saturday. Sunday, how about low 90s? And Monday, look at that 594 ring over Kentucky and West Virginia. Get out of here. That's more like August. That's hot. And again, sunny with low 90s. Tuesday, that 594 ring expands. Wow. That's mid-90s. And I'm telling you, if this were August, it'd be 100-degree heat. But it's, right at the end of May and the 1st of June. We'll go a little deeper. June 5th, still got the 588 ridge. That's kind of hot and dry. And June 10th, we've still got the 588 ridge with a trough well to the northeast, and that suggests kind of hot and dry weather. So The event we're dealing with today, this is kind of the final gasp of the spring tornado season, thank goodness. And I think it's one we all want to say goodbye to, one that is very much historic in nature. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video scheduled here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Thank you for trusting us to be your #1 source for news
in all of Central Alabama.
in back-to-back ratings periods.
More people watched ABC 3340
than any other station in Birmingham.